In this video, I'm going to show you how to plot CPR in Tradingview. So first, go to Tradingview and open up your chart. Then click on the indicator section here and type here CPR. Select the CPR with pivot levels by KGS. Click on it and the indicator is on your screen. So to clean up a little bit of this CPR, what you can do is go to settings of this indicator and remove all the sections like this. Tomorrow, click on them, uncheck this, weekly, uncheck all of them, and then click OK. And then click OK, and this will clean up your CPR chart like this. So this is how you can plot CPR in TradingView.